Welcome to my channel, YouTube Learn English Daily Life.
A morning conversation.
Sina and Dara were best friends. Every morning they stopped at a small coffee shop before going to school. One day, Sina arrived late.
Hey, why are you late today?
Sorry, I woke up late this morning.
Again? You really need to sleep earlier.
I know. I was watching movies last night.
What movie did you watch?
I watched Spider-Man, No Way Home. It was so exciting.
Oh, I love that movie too. Who is your favorite character?
Definitely Spider-Man. He's funny and brave. The waiter came to take their order.
Good morning. What would you like to drink?
I'd like an iced coffee, please.
And I'll have a hot chocolate. A few minutes later, their drinks arrived.
By the way, do we have homework today?
Yes, we do. We need to finish the English exercise.
Oh no, I forgot about it.
Don't worry, I can help you before class starts.
Thanks, you always save me.
They both laughed and continued talking while enjoying their drinks before school started.
Continued story, after school.
After their morning coffee, Sina and Dara went to school together. The day passed quickly and soon the final bell rang.
Finally! I'm so tired today.
Me too. Math class was really difficult.
I almost fell asleep during the lesson.
The teacher noticed you, you know?
Wait, really?
Yes, she looked at you for like 10 seconds.
Oh no, that's embarrassing.
Suddenly, Dara stopped. What happened?
I think I left my notebook in the classroom.
Seriously? Let's go back quickly. They ran upstairs and found the classroom still open. Lucky, the notebook was still on the desk.
Thank goodness, my homework was inside.
You're always forgetting something.
That's why I have you as my best friend.
After leaving school, they decided to visit a small street market nearby. The smell of grilled food filled the air. They bought fried noodles and cold drinks, then sat together near the park.
You know, today was actually fun.
Yeah, even the boring classes became funny somehow.
That's because we always make everything fun.
The sun slowly began to set as they continued chatting and laughing together.